everybody! Welcome to Sugar's Delight. Today I'm going to make healthy ladoos. It is a Navarathri special pink ladoo. Let's get started. Ladoo. For that we need desiccated coconut. If you have desiccated coconut, you can also use that. Otherwise, take 1 cup of ground coconut without the skin and fry it without oil. If you fry until the coconut becomes dry, meaning that the coconut loses water because of the heat. The coconut is now fried fully. It has become dry and lost the water. You can take it out now. The desiccated coconut is now ready. For 1 cup of desiccated coconut, I'm adding 1/4 cup of condensed milk. If you don't have condensed milk, you can use milk and sugar instead. Add the condensed milk little by little. Mix it well. I'm adding a bit of food coloring. It's optional. If you want, you can use it, or else you can skip this. It's mixed well now. Just make it into small balls. It's mixed well now. I'm going to make it into balls. Dip this ball into desiccated coconut. And put a cashew nut on top. After doing this to all the mixture, you have to refrigerate it for 10 minutes. I'm making it in. The ladoo balls are ready. We have to refrigerate it for 10 minutes. Yeah.